In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you another affiliate marketing method that you can get started in today, and I'm going to show you how you can market this to people who already have money in hand that would be willing to probably do this service that you're going to offer through affiliate marketing, and you have a chance to make some pretty good money with this. Alrighty? Well, if this sounds interesting to you, then you want to sit back and watch this whole video here. We're going to get started on it here pretty quick, but like I always like to do for my people that are new to my videos, if you haven't yet subscribed, well, you can see there's over 6,000 other people that have joined the family here on my channel, so go ahead and reach down there below your video right now, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified and you can come over and take advantage immediately when I upload new videos to the channel, which, as you can see, I upload videos pretty regularly here to this channel all the time for you guys. Alrighty? Alright, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started here on this today. What we want to do is, the site that we're going to be using in this particular method here is right here. You want to come over here to this site right here. It's called Social Pilot. You see it right there, guys, and it's right up, look right up here in the address bar where my mouse is, socialpilot.co. You see that? Socialpilot.co. And what this is this site is a social media management site where people can come and they can have all of their social media accounts managed from one site. So it's a whole lot easier, because if you got a lot of, you got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, just all the different social medias, and you have accounts on each one of those, it's hard. It's a lot of work and hard to manage them individually. So people can come to this site, Social Pilot, and have everything done for them right here on one site all together, which they have great things here. Now this site, as you can see here, it's a relatively good price to sign up on this site. They have a $50 a month package here, and they also, here's a good marketing thing that you want to pay attention to, they have a 14-day free trial of their packages, which we will show you. Now, what they're doing is they're comparing Social Pilot with Hootsuite, Sendable, and these other companies here, showing you the difference because of the price and what's available to you. So if we come up here and click check our plans, you can see here they have a yearly. It's set to yearly here by default, but if I click on monthly here, guys, you can see they have the agency for $150 a month, the studio package for $100, small team for $50, and professional for $30. And you can see that for the professional for $30, they can manage up to 10 social media accounts at one time right from this site. The $50 a month, which is 25 accounts at one time. The 100, or the most popular one they have here, guys, is 50 social media accounts at one time with 5 users allowed and unlimited clients. And then, of course, for the agency, it's $150 a month for 75 social media accounts. So you can see that you can compare some of the things here between the packages here, and they all have really good things that, just tools that can be used to help someone manage many different social media accounts, all under one website, one roof, if you will. All right, so, but how we're going to make money with this is that what you want to do is you want to come to this site and scroll all the way down to the bottom here, guys. If we come clear to the bottom, you see right here, and you want to come over here under the company column right here, guys. You see it, and right down here, the second one down, you see right here, it says affiliate program. Guys, you want to click on that. And when you click on that, it brings you over here and it says you can earn 30% recurring. Guys, you want to pay attention to the word recurring here, because that means it's passive. Every time somebody pays their bill every month, guess what? That's right. You get paid again, over and over and over. That's the great thing about recurring, or the other word is passive income. You make the sale once and get paid for months and months and months down the road. That's the great thing about recurring income. And you can see right here sort of how it works. When you join the affiliate program, they're going to provide you with a variety of banners and links to use and so on and so forth. And then right here it says keep earning 30% commission for every new paid subscription with us, and you get commission on every renewal every single month. And then it shows you some of the affiliate program details here. It doesn't cost anything to join it. I mean, it's free. They got to have a minimum of $50 in your balance required to have payout, which is about at least 2 active customers, is what they're saying here. And then the payments are made once per month for the previous month. And look, guys, you're going to need to have a PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you want to make sure you do that first. Go over to paypal.com, click sign up, and just choose the personal account is all you need. Sign up for a PayPal, and the email address that you use to sign up at PayPal, you want to use it to sign up here in the affiliate program here on this site as well. So what you want to do is come here and click get started, and that will bring you over here to this page, guys. And all you got to do is put in your first name, your last name, put in that PayPal email address that you use on PayPal, put the same one here, so there's no discrepancy and no reason for them to get mixed up about paying you your money, right? And then you want to choose a good strong password, check the box right here, agree to the affiliate terms, and just click sign up, and that's all there is. They will not send you a email confirmation because I've already signed up. As soon as you sign up, you will immediately get logged into your back office, which I'm going to go ahead and sign in on my account here now. I just signed up, and you can see that I'm in here right now. It's a brand new account. I just signed up today, and you can see right off the bat, this is the dashboard that we're on right now. And you got details, rewards, payouts, assets, and so on and so forth here. And you can come down right here is the affiliate link that you can use to promote your Social Pilot site. And then they have other assets here, which if you click on that up here, it'll have all your banners and all kinds of different types of banners and things like that that you can use as well. A couple of different pages full of that stuff. That's how, once you get your affiliate link with Social Pilot here, which is right here, once you get that, now, how are we going to market this? You got signed up with Social Pilot. How are you going to market? I'm going to show you where you can market this and market it to people who already have money in their hand that would love to come over and use Social Pilot. Alrighty? So I'm going to go ahead and go back here. Yeah, so one of the places that you can market this, guys, is how about right here? It's people per hour. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's peopleperhour.com. You see it right there, guys. And as you can see that I typed in their search engine box right here, I typed in social media management. And guys, you can see all kinds of people here that are willing to help people manage their social media platforms, okay? But these people here have these services on People Per Hour, it's a freelancing site, People Per Hour, are looking to get people to manage their social media accounts for, right? Well, here's one right here, for example. See this one here with the Twitter bird here right above me? It says manage 2 social media platforms and rocket your website SEO for $410. Well, wouldn't you think that this person would like to come over and take advantage of one of these packages right here? Like even the 100 for a month. They could handle up to 50 accounts per month. Easy, instead of only 2 here for the 410. And all of these other ones here, as you can see, there are many other people here. Manage and grow your social media accounts for 15. I would think that all these people, being if they come over here and sign up on Social Pilot, even for the most popular one here at 100 a month, they can add more and handle more business, thereby making more money for themselves and do it all under one roof, making it easier for them, and you get paid too, because these people on Freelancer here that have these services, they're already making money, so they have money in hand to pay for this particular service already. So guys, you want to come over here, and the way you do that, for example, is you see all these people and you want to contact them. All you got to do is put your hand over, not your hand, your mouse, I'm sorry, over their name right there, and you see how it popped up that name, and if you look right here, it shows you contact. All you do is you want to contact each one of these social media platform members and then offer your Social Pilot platform to them through your affiliate link, and explain to them that they get a 14-day free trial. There's no credit card required. You can see there's lots of reasons, a lot of good things about this that you can use in your promotion to these people. I mean, they get a 14-day free trial, and there's no credit card required, and they have several different packages they can choose from. So let's just say, for example, if you get people to sign up for this most popular one here at $100 per month, let's bring up the calculator. Let's say if you got 35 people to sign up just for this. Now, I mean, you know, they're going to sign up for probably even these other ones too. Okay, but let's just use $100 or the most popular one here as an example. So if you get 35 people to sign up, and then you multiply that by 30%, which is $30 off 100, right? 30% of 100 is 30. So times that by 30, guys, that's $1,050 per month that you could make right there, and you've only marketed to them one time. You know, it's basically, it's almost a set and forget. In other words, when you get the people to sign up, you can just forget it. And if you don't, I mean, if you get 35 people to sign up and you're happy with $1,050 a month, then you're set. You're all set. As long as they keep making their payments every month on this site, you're going to get paid over and over and over. So if you can see there, come here to People Per Hour and market your social pilot platform to these people that will help them be able to increase their business on People Per Hour as well, and helping you at the same time. Another site you can do that with, guys, look, Upwork. You see it up here in the address bar, Upwork.com. They are also a freelancing site that you can do that same thing and look for social media people on this site. And then how about right here? How about Freelancer.com? You can do the same thing. You see it right up here in the address bar. You can do the same thing here. Look for social media management people that are using that could certainly use this service right here. And then last but not least, here's another one here. How about Fiverr? Everybody that's heard of Fiverr, right? Fiverr is one of my favorite sites. I've used it a lot. You can come over here and type in social media management here and find all kinds of customers that would be happy to have this type of service right here, where they could increase their business. And by being able to manage more and more social media accounts under one roof and help them increase their business, and at the same time, you be making some pretty good money for yourself. Alrighty, guys, you can do that on all these sites right here and market your platform from Social Pilot. Guys, that's the method I had for you. If you keep at that, boy, you can build yourself up a large income on a monthly basis. So guys, if you like that method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click that little notification bell so you get notified. Also, if you got any comments about this video or anything, just leave them down below in the comments section. I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see my free video presentation on high-ticket affiliate marketing that will show you the formula of how you can get started in high-ticket affiliate marketing, well, we're talking $1,000 per day possibility, and even more than that possibility. So you want to reach down there below my video here where it says, the top of my description, where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out what's available there that will help you and show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer in a short amount of time. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in another couple of days or so in the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.